Houzz TV. In this episode of Houzz TV Live, editor Erin Carlyle and professional home organizers Patricia and Jeanne Taylor of Tailorly discuss 5 organizing projects you can tackle to get a fresh start at home in 2021. They recommend what to do with gifts you love and those you don't, as well as how to organize your holiday cards. Plus, they address a challenge many of us are facing lately: how to handle a growing collection of loungewear. Personnaliser mon expérience à l'aide de cookies and continuant en naviguer sur cette utiliser cette application. J'accepte que le groupe Houzz utilise des cookies ou d'autres technologies similaires pour améliorer ses produits et services. Nous proposons du contenu pertinent et personnalisé. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.